recent years, the global shift towards sustainable energy solutions has fueled the demand for electric vehicles. As more individuals embrace EVs, the need for reliable and convenient charging solutions becomes increasingly apparent. One such solution gaining traction is the portable EV charger 3.5 kW, available on platforms like Aliexpress. In this article, we delve into the features, benefits, and considerations of this innovative charging cable. Fast charging. Designed to make EV charging quick and effortless. Utilizing the standard IX 62196-2 or SAEJ 1772 or GBT 20234 charging protocol. This charging cable is compatible with all electric cars and plug-in hybrid. Compact and durable. It is the perfect charging cable for home use, and with a cable that is long enough for most driveways or garages. Level 2 Portable Charger. The EV Charger portable box would allow you to charge your electric vehicle. If you want to switch the current, please set it before plugging the charger into the car. Level 2 charging cable will offer you 3x the charging speed in comparison to your car's original charger, boosting 240V and up to 16A. It provides a rapid charging rate of 3.5 kW per hour. Well designed, the special socket effectively prevents dust from entering the EV charger interface. 3.5 cable is sturdy and durable, suitable for use in various parking lots or family garages. It can be hung on the holder after use, which is flexible and convenient. When fully charged, the device will automatically power off. In case of emergency use, press the reset button to turn off the device. Quick and easy operation. When you are traveling or visiting relatives and friends, you don't have to worry about charging, because our chargers can be carried with the car, and you can check every charging data by OLED screen on the charger. Simply connect the plug with the EV inlet, and then the charger will automatically detect the connection status and start charging. The parameters cannot be set in the charging state. Please set before charging. High compatibility. Unlike normal EV chargers, our EV chargers are compatible with most electric cars.